Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to learn about the test automation. What is test automation? Introduction part. Introduction to test automation. Automation testing is a method of software testing that uses special software tools to control the execution of tests and compare the actual results with the expected outcomes. This approach contrasts with manual testing, where testers execute test cases manually without the help of automation tools. Automation testing involves using automated tools and scripts to perform tests on software applications. It aims to increase the efficiency, effectiveness, and coverage of software testing by automating repetitive and time consuming tasks. Automation testing plays a crucial role in modern software development by enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of the testing process. It enables teams to deliver high quality software more quickly and reliably. This is the introduction. Now, advantages of automation testing are speed and efficiency. Automated tests execute much faster than manual tests, significantly reducing the time required for testing. They can run tests overnight or during off hours without human intervention. Re- Repeatability. Automated tests can be run repeatedly, ensuring consistent results each time they are executed. This makes them ideal for regression testing, where the same test need to be run multiple times. Reliability. Automated tests eliminate human errors that can occur during manual testing. They ensure that tests are executed in a precise and consistent manner. Increased test coverage. Automation allows for a wider range of test cases to be executed, including those that are difficult or time consuming to perform manually. This leads to more comprehensive testing and improved software quality. Cost effective in the long term. While there is an initial investment in creating automated tests, they can lead to a significant cost savings over time by reducing the need for manual testing efforts. Automation can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up testers to focus on more complex testing scenarios. Quick feedback. Automated tests provide quick feedback to developers, allowing for faster identification and resolution of defects. This is particularly beneficial in agile and continuous integration, continuous deployment environments. Reusability. Test scripts can be reused across different projects, builds, and environments with minimal modifications. This increases the overall efficiency of the testing process. These are the advantages of automation. Now, disadvantages of automation testing are initial cost. The initial setup of automation testing, including tool selection, script development, and environment setup, can be expensive and time consuming. It requires a significant investment of resources upfront. Maintenance effort. Automated test scripts need to be maintained and updated as the application evolves. Changes in the application's UI, functionality, or environment may require corresponding update to the test scripts. Not suitable for all tests. Automation is not effective for all types of testing, such as exploratory testing or tests that require human judgment and intuition. Some tests are better suited to manual execution. Technical skills requirement. Developing and maintaining automated tests requires technical expertise and programming skills. Testers may need additional training or support to develop these skills. Initial development time. Writing automated test scripts can be time consuming, especially for complex test scenarios. The initial investment of time may delay the testing process. Over reliance on automation. Over reliance on automation may lead to neglecting manual testing, which is still necessary for certain types of testing. A balanced approach that includes both automated and manual testing is essential. Tool limitations. No single automation tool can address all testing needs. Choosing the right tool and ensuring it integrates well with the existing development and testing processes can be challenging. Now, the difference between manual and automation testing. Execution, manual testing execution by manual execution by testers, and in automation, execution by automation tools and scripts. Human involvement is high in manual, low in automation. Speed and efficiency, slower, less efficient in manual, faster, more efficient in automation. Accuracy, prone to human errors. In automation, reduce risks of human errors. Coverage, limited test coverage. In automation, broader test coverage. Cost, initially less expensive, higher long term. Initial investment, cost effective over time. Suitability, exploratory usability, ad hoc testing. In automation, regression, performance, load, repetitive tasks. Now, common automation testing tools. Selenium, widely used open source tool for automating web applications. JUnit is popular framework for unit testing in Java applications. TestNG, testing framework. Then Qtp UFT is a commercial tool for functional and regression testing. Appium is an open source tool for automating mobile applications. Jenkins, then robot framework. These are the common automation testing tools. Thank you very much, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification. Thank you very much.